What's up, everyone? July 10th is National Piña Colada Day. If you're a rum lover and maybe you like coconut and pineapple, but not maybe every piña colada you've ever had, you should pay attention. This is a rum lover's piña colada. A key ingredient in any piña colada is cream of coconut, but I don't like Coco Lopez. So I'm showing you how I make cream of coconut, and I'll use that to make a piña colada. What I really like about my cream of coconut is how easy and fast it is to make, and also just that it's so much more cocoa nutty and creamy than all of the other options I've tried. I use 2 cans of Nature's Charm sweetened condensed coconut milk and 1 can of coconut whipping cream. These run me about $4 to $5 each locally, which comes out a teeny bit more expensive than Coco Lopez, but in my opinion is totally worth it. I use coconut whipping cream because, let's face it, the fat is the tasty part. And like any whipping cream or heavy cream would be, this is mostly the fat component of the coconut. The condensed coconut milk can be pretty thick, so it helps to warm the cans up in hot water before opening them. The steps are: open all 3 cans, dump them into a container, and whisk to combine. Once combined, put some into a squeeze bottle and the rest into a freezer safe container and, freeze it. Last year, Joanne made us a piña colada, and I botched the edit of that video pretty bad. And since then, we've updated our specs, so in a shaker, add 30 ml or 1 ounce of our cream of coconut, 22.5 ml or 3/4 of an ounce of lime, 45 ml or 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice, 22.5 ml or 3/4 of an ounce of Lemonhart 151, 30 ml or 1 ounce of Appleton Estate Signature, 30 ml or 1 ounce of Hamilton 86. It's super easy to forget, but for this volume, we're gonna go with 3 drops of saline solution. And based on the other components in this cocktail, lime, pineapple, and aged spirits, a single drop of vanilla, because science. We're gonna measure 250 mils or 1 cup-ish of nugget ice or crushed ice and shake for exactly 7 seconds. I'm using the Libbey pineapple. I just think they're perfect for a piña colada. If you agree with me, there are links down below. And like most of the links down there, they help us keep the lights on. So if you buy a set, thank you. Add an additional 250 mils or 1 cup-ish of ice to your Libbey pineapple and open pour. Garnish with a spent lime shell, a pineapple wedge, and a Surfside sip. Andrew will do custom links on these too. Check the link in the description and use code PROKIT20 at checkout to save 20%. It has a very rich and creamy mouthfeel. Neither the coconut nor the pineapple nor the rums are coming through first. They kind of all come through together. It's very well balanced. For only being 1 ounce of coconut here, the coconut flavor is very clear. The rums are all definitely there. I can taste the Appleton and Hamilton 86, and that like burnt caramel of Lemonhart 151, and the additional acidity of that lime definitely helps balance it all out. If you like this kind of content and you want to learn other advanced mixology techniques, click here to understand why I put that single drop of vanilla in. It wasn't to make it taste like vanilla. If you want just other general cool cocktail stuff, click here. Okay, let me redo that.